In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Teams error CAA20002 on Windows. This error usually points to an authentication or connection problem between the Teams app and Microsoft's servers. It often comes from network hiccups, corrupted app data, or a misconfigured account. We'll start with quick checks and work our way up to deeper fixes, so follow along and test Teams after each change. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Begin with basic troubleshooting. Confirm you have a stable internet connection by loading a few websites or switching from Wi-Fi to a wired connection if possible. If you're using a VPN or a corporate proxy, try temporarily disconnecting to see if Teams can authenticate without it. Next, fully close and relaunch the app. Right-click the Teams icon in the system tray and choose Quit, then reopen it. A full computer restart can also clear temporary glitches. Double-check your login details as well. If you think your password may be compromised or outdated, change it through your Microsoft account portal. To determine whether the issue is specific to the desktop app or your account, try signing into the Teams web client in your browser. If the web version works, the desktop app likely needs attention. If you're using a work or school account, reconnect it in Windows. Open Settings, go to Accounts, then access Work or School. Select the account you use with Teams and choose Disconnect. Restart your PC, return to the same settings page, select Connect, and sign in again with your organizational credentials. This refresh often resolves token and sync issues that trigger the error. Next, make sure Windows is using the correct security protocol. Open Control Panel and search for Internet Options. In the Advanced tab, scroll to the Security section and ensure Use TLS 1.2 is selected. If older options like TLS 1.0 or 1.1 are enabled, consider unchecking them. Click Apply, then OK. Teams relies on TLS 1.2 for secure communication, so this setting matters. If the problem persists, repair or reset the Teams app. Go to Settings, open Apps, then Installed Apps. Find Microsoft Teams, select it, and open Advanced Options. Try Repair first. It preserves your data while fixing the app. If the error continues, choose Reset. Note that Reset will clear app data, so you'll need to sign in again. As a last resort, reinstall Teams. Uninstall it from Settings or Control Panel. Make sure Teams is fully closed, then delete the Teams folder at %appdata%, Microsoft Teams. Download the latest installer from Microsoft's website and reinstall. After signing in, you should be back up and running. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions.